Aiden. Aiden. He did it earlier. I thought it was normal. Yeah. Don't look at the camera.
I never seen him done that before.
Really?
Yeah.
He did it earlier with me.
I never seen him go. Look at him.
Wait, shh.
Do it again.
Aiden. Tony's home?